Okay, sorry. So what is meant by international relations? Now, we have always lived in political units. Ancient India में तुम लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. Okay, there was something called as जनपदास. याद आ रहा है? जनपदास करके ऐसा टेरिटोरियल यूनिट्स थे. महाजनपदास, वो उसका बाद में महाजनपदास हो गया. In ancient Greek, you had city states. Okay, there were different city states. These were the political units at that time. Okay, Sparta ले लो, Sparta, Athens. Okay, these were different political units at that time. Okay, फिर in ancient times in India also we had these janpadas. Okay, janpadas थे. Janpadas से पहले there were different villages that used to be considered as a political units. We have always lived in different political units, but present system, ये जो अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल यूनिट्स थे, जनपदास हो गए या फिर ये सिटी स्टेट्स हो गए, तो इनमें जो इंटरेक्शन होता है, ओके, और बिटवीन डिफरेंट जनपदास, ओके, दिस इंटरेक्शन कैन बी कॉल्ड एज इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल यूनिट्स. तो ये जो इंटरेक्शन है, दैट इज व्हाट इज द इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस. ओके, इन मॉडर्न टाइम्स, ओके, specifically talking about international relations, modern times mein, since the 17th century, political units, okay, ye jo bhi political units the, these have started from 17th century, these started acquiring a national character. Okay, पहले city states होते थे, जनपदास होते थे, different empires होते थे, right? Roman Empire, the Magadhan Empire, Mauryan Empire, ऐसे अलग अलग empires होते थे. Okay, तो उनमें जो relations होता है, that is nothing but the international relations. तो in ancient times, the relations between empires, these can be considered as being international relations. But since the 17th century, we are seeing that these political units, these started acquiring various national characters. Alag alag nations came to be born. Different nations were emerging, right? The English nation, okay, France, okay, Prussia, okay, these different nations started emerging, okay, from the 17th century. And so this interaction between these nations is nothing but the interaction of international relations. Okay, these interactions are nothing but the international relations. Now, in modern times, in contemporary times, अभी के टाइम हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस को? अगर if you want to seriously define international relations, then what is international relations? So we can say that the political or economic, social, cultural relations between these countries, okay, between these countries is nothing but the international relations. Political relation हो गया, economic relation हो गया, या फिर socio-cultural relation हो गया. These relations between different nations are nothing but international relations. Okay, यहाँ पे one thing you should keep in mind is that international relations is not only about relation between states or nation states. Okay, सिर्फ नेशन स्टेट्स में जो रिलेशंस होते हैं उन्हें ही इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस नहीं बोलते हैं, बट in modern times, relationship between nation state and you can call them as global corporations or international organizations. These are also considered as international relations. Okay, international relations का मतलब ये नहीं है कि relations will always be between different states. Okay, सिर्फ नेशन स्टेट्स में ही रिलेशंस होंगे उसे ही हम लोग इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस बोलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. In addition to that, relationship between nation states and global corporations, okay, different MNCs, okay, or even international organizations, these will also come in the scope of international relations. Okay, I hope it is clear. अभी इंडिया में there is news about Tesla entering India. Okay, Tesla is about to एंटर इनटू इंडिया. टेस्ला ने रजिस्टर कर दिया रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज के साथ कि हम लोग इंडिया में आ रहे हैं. ओके, सो टेस्ला आ रहा है इंडिया में. टेस्ला को वू करने के लिए द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट वाज ट्राइंग टू वू टेस्ला फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके, दे वांटेड टेस्ला टू कम इनटू इंडिया, सेट अप इट्स फैक्ट्री इन इंडिया, राइट. सो इंडिया का गवर्नमेंट ये ट्राई कर रहा था. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो a part of international relations. Okay, Tesla and other global corporations, these will also be considered as part of international relations. At the same time, international organizations also. Okay, United Nations ho gaya. Okay, India trying for a permanent seat in the Security Council of United Nations. Okay, India trying for a permanent seat in the Security Council of the United Nations. Okay, that is also one form of international relation. UN हो गया, World Bank हो गया, IMF हो गया, ये अलग अलग इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो हैं उनके साथ जब एक नेशन स्टेट इंटरैक्ट करेगा, these will also be coming under the scope of international relations. Okay, I hope it is clear.